Hi friends, this is part 3 of my private client reading. So Isabel, how are you? I'm going to tell you in this part how you're going to get to this and this, how you're going to get this, how is it going to happen. So there's going to be a big turnaround, a big, like I said, a 180-degree turn in your life. The wheel of fortune is going to turn entirely. What you thought is not possible is going to be possible in your right now in your life, in the coming near future. You're going to have a spiritual awakening, you're going to have a epiphany, a spiritual awakening kind of a thing, where you're going to know that things are as they should be, and nothing is happening as it should not have been. So everything that has happened in the past and is happening right now in the present and will happen in the future has a role. So you're going to get the spiritual message. And also, as I told you, you're going to have a financial opportunity, a new creative idea, so your finances are also going towards the better side, and the source or the spirit is going to provide you with some new financial venture. There's a lot of hope in your situation, Isabel. You're going to get the love, the home, the family, the finances that you desired. The king is coming soon into your life. The king, the man that you want, is coming soon into your life, and he's going to make you this luxurious, wonderful, financially well-off woman. His presence is going to be very good for you. He's the king. He's the king of finances. He's going to be a very well-off man, a very spiritually aware, well-off man. He's a king. He's not a knight or a page, and he is going to give you a very luxurious life, and everything is going to be emotionally, spiritually, mentally, financially in a good position for you. And he is going to also provide you with a happy home, a couple, children, and a lot of love. So this is going to happen. This is what's going to happen in your. You see so many positive cards that we got. You know, the lovers, the twin flame, the happy home, and again the king, the queen with so much luxury, and the the best card that you could get in the entire deck, the the 10 of Pentacles. You see the family home. This is what you're going to get, Isabel, but not with this person. So please take this reading very positively, and now I'll show you the advice cards. I can learn to prioritize my intentions. I told you about this before, how to do it. My every relationship can now feel better. So when you feel better, your whole life, all your relationships will be affected positively. I can reach for a better feeling thought. Always monitor your thoughts, how they are, positive or negative, and how you can monitor them is by taking note of how you feel. If you feel good, then your thoughts are also good. If you're feeling negative at the time, that means you're thinking bad thoughts or negative thoughts about that particular situation. To the degree I am happy, I'm successful. So as you increase your joy, happiness, your vibration on the scale, the law of attraction will attract the same stuff into your life, which makes you feel the same way. If you're feeling happy, law of attraction will give you more stuff to feel happy about, and if you're feeling sad, law of attraction will keep giving you more stuff to keep feel sad about. That is why you have a spiritual awakening coming, because you're going to realize this, and you're going to start to want a very different life, from that point on. And your last card was, I can turn a downward spiral upwards. I want to read this again for you, Isabel. As you focus on the best of what you do have, even if it is only a small part of your experience, the law of attraction will now bring you more of the essence of that. And so you can replace a downward spiral with a fast moving upward spiral by simply directing your thoughts more to things that you do want. So, Isabel, please focus your thoughts on what you do want, which is a twin relationship, a happy home, and this life that your cards are showing you. Focus on that, and focus on the essence of the lover that you do want, and let go of this obsessive let go of this obsessive relationship that you have with this guy, to be able to so that you are able to attract this into your life. Let go of this so that this can come into the forefront. Let go of this. Okay, Isabel, I send you a lot of love and healing and blessings to be able to absorb this message that the reading has given you. I understand you might feel negative right now, but on whole, the greater picture is very positive and you should focus on that. And I again feel very indebted to have given you this message, and I hope you take it in a very positive stride. And all of my viewers who are viewing this video, you can know that I'm very straightforward and motivational in my readings, and I present the message as it is. The truth is always good, you know, in the larger frame of life. And please, if you need a romance reading or a twin flame reading, you can put a comment below and contact me, and I will let you know the details how a twin flame reading goes. And best of luck, Isabel. Your life is going to be very bright, very nice, and I'm very hopeful you will take this message for what it is. You will work on your life and you will wait for the future to unfold, and it's a very bright, awesome future that you have in your love life, in your finances, and in your spiritual growth. Thank you so much.